Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. BUZARD. As you can see, I'm not in my classroom. I'm sending this video to you from home. I will not be there the first 9 days, unfortunately. I'm recuperating from something kind of minor, just need some of that extra time to recuperate all the way. So I do apologize. I do miss being there right now, the excitement of unpacking all the boxes and getting things ready. However, Miss Kelly will be your substitute teacher. She will be with you the first 9 days. And she and I have been texting and emailing each other every day. And I feel very confident that you're going to be in very good hands. So the good thing is that you will get to meet somebody new and different and interesting, and that's always a fun thing to do. The sad part is you'll probably really like her, and then she'll have to leave, and I do apologize for that in advance. But I do look forward to getting there with you after September 18th, after your second week. You will be doing a lot of your learning digitally this year. In my class, you will have reading, writing, and social studies. Reading class is 90 minutes long, and social studies and writing are combined into a 45 to 50-minute class. So as you can imagine, we have a lot we need to fit in during that time, and we try to do as much cross-curricular things that we can, like have you write about the social studies topics so that you're doing writing and social studies at the same time, so we get the most out of that time. That time will also be spent a lot. We do a lot of grammar during that time. As you can imagine, we have to kind of give writing a little bit more emphasis during that time than the social studies. The people that have me for reading will also get some extended writing activities during reading time. You will each be assigned your own Chromebook that you need to be very responsible for. And parents, please also listen to this. Daily homework. We'll be charging those Chromebooks every single night without fail, and making sure the Chromebooks are back in school the next day, packed in book bags once they're charged. The school district has decided to cut down on the interaction and handling of each other's materials, that instead of collecting and charging the Chromebooks at school, we would have students take them home. And then that way they're at home in case for some reason, we're called off the next day or something. We can still get online. They can use their Chromebooks, join me in a Zoom meeting, and or if there's homework or assignments, or if your child falls ill and doesn't feel well, they still will have that Chromebook with them. So very, very critical, very, very important to please make sure those Chromebooks are charged every night and coming back to school every day. Ms. Kelly will be sending you a video from the classroom, so you'll get to see what the classroom looks like. Not what you're typically used to. They're going to look a little bare, and we took out all the extra furniture in that so we could make more room for social distancing, and you will need to wear masks every day. Ms. Kelly will go over more of that with you, and I'm sure the district will continue sending and posting information to parents. So anyway, again, I apologize for not being there for the first 9 days. Sometimes, life just happens and we have to do what we have to do. But I very much look forward to seeing you the middle of September. It will only be 9 days. And I'm sure Miss Kelly and I will still stay in contact and communication, and you're going to be in good hands. Okay? So, hey, everyone, enjoy your Labor Day weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and Miss Kelly will see you next Tuesday, okay?